morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. We are here ready for the next live stream, trading Apex Trader funding accounts. I do believe there is no more 80% off, so I have to remove that banner above, change it with the 50%. And yeah, I do believe we don't have any promotion right now. That's the funny things. People always ask me, when is the next promotion? I don't know, so I have to check. Yeah, there is no promotion right now. I believe the $85 left are probably still running. But good morning, Faith. Good morning, guys. So this morning I had a loss. I took a loss in gold. Gold is what I trade. At least I try to trade in the morning because of trading with Aaron during the mentorship and everything. Huge wick lower. We were closing above these wicks here, and that was the signal of this 50 minutes candle closing above. So it was getting interesting, and the hour and 30 minutes chart was interesting to get at least a push above here, where we could have managed the trade and grab these highs, because we have a triple top right now there. So a lot of liquidity there setting up. It's probably gonna come there. It just needed a little bit more. It did not grab this double bottom. That's very interesting for me. This bottom here was not grabbed, so that's good chance we want to come lower and grab it. We have do we have anything there on the higher time frame? A little bit in the higher time frame. We have like a level here. We grabbed already the previous 15 minutes. That can be again on a possibility of short up to these lows. Now that we are coming lower, but let's move to NQ. And NQ, first I want to check if everything, the copy is working. Copy traded in all of them, perfect. NQ, guys, was interesting things. So what happened in from yesterday, right? We chop it around here, we come out green. We took this high, and after we taken these highs, we had a nice rejection, and we just sold off until we've taken this low here. And this low is the lowest point after the gap. So we still have a gap lower to fill until here, but we for the moment got the weekly low. So because for the moment we came to this morning and we took the weekly low. So if you go to the daily chart, we've taken this low. So that's a very bullish situation. Can we came, and depending how we are evolving on closures and open candles, we definitely have potential for a little bit push above. Do we still want to come and grab these lows here? It is possible, but it has to be defined with the levels and reasons behind. If you go to the 1 hour chart, we did not look at this hour chart before happen. No loss was taken, no loss, no high, no high, no high, no high, no high, no high until here. So none of these highs was taken out. I mean, this was the last high that took the previous one, but all these people that were shorting, maybe looking for a liquidity grab on the bottom, right now are getting stopped out. Okay, hello, how are you? I traded this morning early. I traded gold because I'm changing. I changed strategy, so right now I'm trading more liquidity grab, and yes. I took one loss, totally a good loss, $250. It's a great loss. Usually, my max loss on a single trade is $300. So getting out from it with the 250, it's still very good. What the markets wants to do right now, it's a bit complicated, right? We have some kind of support here at this level. I'm gonna put it because I see it in this 50-minute chart mostly more clear. It's gonna show up right now. I'm gonna put it visible for every chart. Maybe all charts with the symbol. So the fact that we're grabbing this, there is 50 minutes low there, it can be an interesting push to come and grab these highs here. These highs here, for my point, are interesting for liquidity grab. I'm looking for this market probably to give us a nice push up to these highs here. on this hour chart. If we go to the 15-minute chart, we're coming to this level. We are right now, we are retesting it. We as well grabbed already the previous 30 minutes. It will be amazing if we can grab the previous hour before turning. Market opening in 14 seconds. If we grab this previous hour here, it will be even better, but I'm not gonna bet on it. But this continuation higher to grab this high will be a very good, I think, risk reward here. Yeah, no. It depends. If the NQ provides something interesting, I'm happy to take a NQ trade as well. Let's see what he wants to do right now. We're pushing. Possibility liquidity grab here above. We have triple top here above. Even if this one grabbed this one before, these people were shorting with these highs. It were never grabbed. So a good chance we might go lower there. I'm gonna wait and give it and see what he wants to do on these first minutes to decide what to do. I do like if we can come grab this low here. This is the previous hour low. And it's doing it right now. Okay, we have taken that previous hour low. It's gonna be even interesting if we don't hold this. So this area, if we don't hold this area of support, where the markets wants to go. Let's see, we have time, we don't have accelerate and take any trades just because we want to be in a positions. But if we start to turn, let's see. Especially if we, I mean, for me, it's interesting even if we, let me just remove the MEAs. If we start to close below, that's good. We have to be careful on where is a possible support that we might have to be careful with. But for me, the fact that we're grabbing this hour, I like it. Look at this, turning already. Very quick on that. We might have even just give it, if I give it one shot here with one micro contract, that's a bit too aggressive. It's already only even 2 minutes have not passed. The 30 minutes candle is there, closing above, turning green. I might give it a contract just to give it a shot here on the one contract and add if it gives it. Let me see, $100 loss with one micro contract. Aiming for these at least $170. That's crazy. That's crazy. 2 macros are enough here. Let's see. Let's see first. I would like to see this 5 minutes candle closing first. Good morning, guys. Everyone, good morning. Hope you're doing great. I do like these highs here. That's what I like right now. These highs here brought us to these lows. This was not taken out, and right now we're coming there. Look at that, beautiful. I think we're getting the push right now. 2 more minutes for this 5 minutes candle to close. I will give it 1 more minute, and we'll see to decide if taking it or not. My computer is slowing down. Un contratto, yes, still, because it's a bit, it was $100. It's moving a lot. It's $100. If it closes and it show me something, I might go for 2 contracts. I'm gonna prepare 2 contracts in the case. But I like this support. We liquidate these people in the hour candle as well. We might be a little bit more aggressive, but it's coming there. If we take 2 contracts, that's $200. $50 seconds, 1 minute for this candle to close. It's coming right now with acceleration. I like that hour candle, guys. I might get in right way right now. I'm gonna get in, guys. 2 contracts. Hard stop loss will be at the lows here. and limit will be, take profit will be there on these highs. That hour candle is beautiful, guys. 30 minutes as well is beautiful. I will manage it above here on these highs. If it wants to come back, we'll probably manage it aggressively. I'll leave it there. Hey, Paul, what's up? 7 seconds. So we kind of get in almost at the same time, same place. We will have entered. Very aggressive entry, but I like it, guys. I think we can at least grab these things higher to move our stop loss in break-even. And then we will decide what to do with the rest. The hour candle is beautiful. Taking the previous lows, holding there. We need a nice break right now. If it's right now, it's giving us resistance, but it wants to break. Let it break. Okay. Stop loss is there. I'm gonna leave it in break even right now there, guys. I want this 5 minutes candle to turn against me right now that we're taking these highs. Right now is a free trade risk there. If it's come back and stop me out, we will look for another entry, but this is good. This is good. Let it dead. If it wants to reject these highs and come back, we'll find another entry later on. Okay, stop me out. Break even for the moment. Nothing special there. We'll let it decide, and if we get another entry, we will look into it. But right now we're rejecting the highs. Yeah, we've taken this little one, but we'll let it for the moment go. We'll figure it out soon. But that was a beautiful. Even right now there with the 2 contracts there, you were up $130. Gonna probably skyrocket, but it is what it is. We're gonna leave it and decide what to do later on. That's a beautiful hour, 1 hour grab there. It's beautiful. We're gonna leave this for the 15 minutes closure. I was an aggressive entry, by the way. Yeah, the entry could have been even better from here and here the moment I saw that the grab was happening. But this 5 minutes was still too fresh and young to bet it was gonna close above, right? Here I bet it because I was like, okay, it's 30 seconds is at the end of it. I'm gonna take a little bit the risk of it, but taking it here when it's like 1 minute from the candle, a bit too early. We're gonna leave it to see what it wants to do. Let's see NQ, because MNQ sometimes is a little bit different. Did we take these highs on NQ? No. Okay, so even in NQ we didn't take these highs. Okay. Good morning, Mohammed, I believe, because I cannot see the names anymore. I like the new style. Thank you, Paul. Hey, right now look at that, beautiful. We're coming to the highs, and might right now skyrocket without us, but there was a beautiful trade no matter what. Look at that. That's what I was looking for, because if it wants to break, I believe that's it. It will get to right away to the next level, and from here to here we had another. How many points? 52 ticks. No, sorry, 32 points plus the 31 points here was a 60 points target at least. But we manage our loss, we take our trades, and we evaluate the best we can do. Now we're grabbing these highs. Let's go and check gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. What did I say in gold before this? What did I say in gold? I say this double bottom, it was not caught, and a good chance it was gonna come for it, and it came like in a freaking speed rocket. We created a level somewhere here. We faked out some people here. We grabbed a lot of liquidity, and right afterwards we just skyrocketed to the downside. I should have taken the short here, like many people would say, but you know, easy to say afterwards. There is, you know, shorting at the close of these 5 minutes, you have space up to here and managing your trade depending on where the 5 minutes will bounce. But taking your profit here is not a one-to-one risk reward, but it sticks in profit that will happen there. That's $153 with one micro, guys. That's great trade there. But it is what it is. We'll look. Let's see this. That's an important candle that are happening there on gold, guys. That's very crucial. Let me put some levels, because if we I'm gonna put the level right now and show it to everyone there. That's the level 2 card. I'm gonna remove this one. Good morning, Mufti. If we close, we start to close above this 1968, that will start to be interesting. I'm gonna just remind myself to watch on gold. I should honestly put a chart where I have gold and MQ all the time, so I can switch. Look at this. We took the grab. We didn't even go higher, so our take profit will never get hit. So we're coming back lower. That's, ooh, guys, we grab the highs right now there, and if we start to close below, oh guys, oh, if you start close below, let's see how it goes. But we have time to take trades. We don't have to rush anything. If gold goes, if MQ starts to go down, let me see, can change. I'm gonna change this chart here. Where can I change? Settings. I'm not sure where I managed to put in quant hour. I did it last time where I put that if I change something somewhere, it's gonna change it in every chart. I did that change. I don't remember where. Ah, yeah. Link. Yes. Unlinked. Here I'm gonna unlink it and put gold. So I can see gold there. Oh, that's beautiful. Gold is interesting there, guys. This is doing exactly what Nick says. What Nick said. Where is Nick? I have to remind him. Nick, look at. Just take A plus setup. Naughty choppy. Naughty. Nick, if you're there listening, take only your A plus setup. Don't take your B setup or C setup. Yesterday we had a long conversation, me and Nick, in the chat. I mean, I'm not a mentor, so I'm not good at giving advices, unfortunately, especially on strategy wise or whatever. I'm learning to be better at giving not advices. Advice is not a good word to use, and it's not the way to do it. It's feedback, and I'm still learning on how to do that. 30 minutes interesting there in gold. We are very getting interesting there in gold. Closing above the level. It's just a 15 minutes. Ooh, wow, aggressive. Let's see what wants to do this gold. This M and Q. But the idea of here grabbing these lows and going higher was good. Maybe too much of looking for too much, you know. It is what it is. This was a quick profit, but let's see what he wants to do right now, because right now we are closing lower. Where does it want to go? Away every year. Use dollars. Use dollars losing so much, so much value. Also these days, they're gonna lose value. The chart, it seems that US dollar is gonna lose more value against the euro as well again in the next few weeks. And I get paid in dollars, guys. Imagine that my salary, guys, was 15% higher 8 months ago or 10 months ago. It was 15% higher. Guys, this is like a little bit of a support here. That's kind of ugly to short right away. But yo, this is coming to be interesting. We grab this liquidity there. It's like a lot of support there on that level. I'm gonna just give it some time. Gold is interesting for me more, like taking this long on gold, taking this gold in this long in gold. We're closing above right now. We're gonna give it some time. This is not an entry, but it's getting interesting for longs in gold, and you might aim up to, yeah. This is one micro contract, guys, $255, and you might risk anywhere that this next 5 minutes closes below. You close it out. I'm gonna look into it, guys. I'm gonna look into it. That's very interesting for my point. That hour candle can change to too much aggressive, or looking for that hour candle to switch. I'm liking it, that one, to be honest. More this than MNQ. Short is seems the one, but yeah, that look at that. Gold is bouncing right now. I'm looking at gold. MNQ is going down. Look, I'm looking at gold right now. Yeah, that's it. That's the problem, right? You might took an idea of long or short, thinking that this candle might close these things, but in the last minute, everything can change. Yeah, see this level here? That's annoying here. That's level here. That's been support. That's why I don't want to short right now NQ, just because of this. If I want to short NQ, I think I will do it below this level. If it starts to close lower, then I will be more interesting. But going short against this, nah. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Wish you the best. Gold is gold is holding that level there. Good luck, my friend. Wish you the best. We took all these lows here on gold. We grabbed a big one there in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful long, that one there. Long at 691. You're nicely nailing it there. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm gonna start with break even at 750. Break even. You're in break even right now. Beautiful, man. I'm so happy I didn't take any shorts. I did not FOMO on it because I saw this level here. Let's freaking go, man. Very good. Look at, oh, it wants to go. Oh my god, man. I'm still back. I'm down for NQ longs again. If it wants to grab these highs that I was looking for before. Yeah, happy didn't FOMO. You did good. Looks good. Ugly things of NQ these days is that candles just skyrocket. So right now, if I want a 5 minutes closure, where the heck I'm gonna get my 5 minutes closure here? Where the heck I'm gonna get my 5 minutes closure? That's not freaking closing anywhere that is mixy. It's gonna close to the resistance, and I'm buying against the resistance, and now I have to then really aggressively manage my stop loss like I've done here, you know. Luckily I did it, because if I was too biased on being like my stop loss is lower, my take profit is here, I will get in stopped out, and then it reverse, right? It's pathetic. Yeah, between yesterday and today, pathetic is a good word to describe it. Yeah. I mean, MNQ or NQ, whatever you do, man, one contract at 690 up to here, you're already up $150. That means 1,500 with one NQ. That's too much for like risk management side, I guess. Look at that, beautiful right now pushing there. Crazy. Price action getting crazy right now. I'm looking if this wants to come back lower first to retest and reverse. That would be amazing for me. But if it doesn't want to do it, that's unfortunately the life. Is right now rejecting too much this area. I'm gonna wait. You know, if not, if we come back here above and we take these highs, and now we show some weakness, closing lowers these levels, then you can try to grab a short. You know, gold does the opposite of NQ. So NQ gold is right now selling off. So there we did not buy. It's 691. Let's freaking go. I just destroyed my nail. Let's freaking go, man. You can, you can wish that, but you don't wish that you can trade like that. Cut long with the right mindset. Out and that push, outlet long in that 428. Beautiful, man. 28 here, man. You took it on the 3 minutes, I'm sure. You took it on the 3 minutes. You took it. Anik, you took the ISO. Now I know you took it in the 3 minutes. Look at that. The trade you wanted, the long side that you might have read, the liquidity grab, the fake out, and right now you're enjoying. That's it, man. A+ it up. You can even freaking close the laptop and go the fuck out of from here. Because you've done your job as a trader. You've done your job. Guys, I'm looking to go long on gold. To be honest. I'm just waiting for the 15 minutes candle to close. Closing nicely gold. This is MGC looking for gold long. That's because we grabbed a lot of lows here and we have space to bounce, but I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes candle to close. That is closing in 7 minutes. Still a lot. Got in super late, so I was doing stuff outside, and I was like, wow, light isn't a blessed. You might replicate that things every day, my friend. That's maybe is what the things was missing for you. Okay, that's fine. You know, should, yeah. Next time you do better on that. Next time you say, I will do the previous high as a profit. I don't know where you took your profit right now. Or this one was my first target. Freaking happen right now, piece of shit. After grabbing here, I could have been aggressive, guys, on entering as we did before. Before I did it aggressively, but too much of a. I could have been aggressive. I say I could have been aggressive as well. I should have taken that shit. No, that's a part of the joke. Let's say what wants to do right now. We've taken this. This is the main support area. Is 830. I'm gonna put it there because that's the main support area. It's here. Here. That's where the main support area it is. I'm gonna show it in every screen. I wish I entered any queue. I wish I was not in a loss today. Good evening, Iron. Good morning and good day for anyone. I'm waiting for this freaking 15 minutes candle to close, guys. I'm thinking about looking along there in gold. Look at that. Ooh, we're taking as well these lows. I might even. How much we're closing this candle? We're already closing right now. Oh, okay. I might risk it one contract. One micro contract in gold is good enough. And I will get out anywhere it closes below with a 5 minutes candle below this area. No, I'm feeling good. I'm looking at this. Yeah, I think I'm liking this. I'm gonna take it there. I'm gonna give myself out space and I'm gonna stop myself whatever it closes the candle. If it closes the candle in this below this area, so we have a 5 minutes closure below, I'm gonna call myself out. Gold is downtrending, yes, in you're right, but we've taken big lows here, 1, 2, 3, and we might come back to get all these people that were shorting previously. I'm looking at that, that's analysis. It's true that we are downtrending, but we have a lot of liquidity was formed, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these lows. So I'm looking for a continuation. I'm gonna risk one micro contract and then add if I like it more. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna give it the time. Hard stop loss is there. Let's check MNQ where you were, guys. Beautiful push there in MNQ. Wow. MNQ flying. Liquidity grab here, but even more, and it's flying right now. You will kill it. I wish, my friend. Long right now in gold. Let's see if it closes below this area. I'm gonna call myself out. Below, I'm gonna call myself out. 15 minutes and 5 minutes closing in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If this 15 minutes candle turns back, I might add. Let's see, we might get destroyed. I'm gonna give it the time. We are just $100 loss right now, $80. So still is a good loss. 2 more minutes. One more minute and 40 seconds. Don't add. It depends. If it comes back and becomes even more confirming that it's closing above, right now I don't like that the 50 minutes is gonna close lower. So if this 5 minutes closing below, I will call myself out. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds for it. Because then it will show that this is not holding anymore, this area that I signed. One more minute. Still holding that. By the way, 21 people. First time after a long time we have seen so many people. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. You're welcome in the day I'm losing enough this week. Oh, I might gonna call it soon, guys. Out, I'm out. Gonna call it myself there. That's not holding at all. And right now we're down $420 on the day. It is what it is. 20 seconds is closing. And this, maybe this, look at this NQ right now turning, but probably we're done on the day and on the week. Probably I think we're gonna close slightly red on the week, I believe. I have to download the data for today and later I show you together. Yeah, see the gold finished closed red. I'm calling myself out that 15 minutes closed red. Don't like it at all. My chart is just stopped, or I am. Yeah, my start just chart is not moving. My chart is not moving. I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect. Trying to reconnect right now. Hopefully it reconnects quick. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, it's reconnecting. That's good. It's taking some time, but the reconnection is there. Let me see. The server is trying again. Loading positions. Okay. I don't know if it's my internet today. Sometimes, yeah, I had some loss of internet there. I can see it in OBS. Okay, it's reconnecting. Okay, now we're there. We're in it. Yeah, good. Look at there's a good exit in. Oh, come on. Good exit in gold. The moment we have closed below this area of support, that was my area of interest on a way that if we hold, we have space to go above. It did not happen, and skyrocket into the downside. I took for this massive week. I was like looking for that long. It did not happen, unfortunately. It is what it is. Why this MN? It's a quant hour problem right now. The moment I change from 1 to 1, it just gives problem. Oh, okay. Now it's working. Yeah. So nothing there, guys. 5 minutes grabbing the previous one here. Turning. Next support is here at 940. But support and resistance here at the same time. I'm gonna call it. Yeah. But I agree and disagree on a way that if I take the daily chart on gold, where we are in the daily chart on gold? Today is the candle is red, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles. You know, it can bounce anywhere if you had the right level. It did not happen today, but it's, I believe that we're getting a huge, finally, maybe the finally sell-off that gold was waiting for, because gold had a huge run up in the last 6 months. That's right. Looking for longs in gold is not a wrong idea when you have this. Yeah, but I took the trade as well, looking at the hour chart on the low side that were taken out and everything. I execute on the 5 and 50 minute chart, but the level was coming as well on the hour chart. let's go here. Let's go back to MNQ. That gold is selling off and NQ is pushing higher. We might have just call it like this on the day. No more, I mean, for the moment. The setups, we wait if we see something else. I guess. I think no, I think I had a good idea. I think I will ask Aaron tomorrow to evaluate this trade. I'm interested because the 50 minutes candle closed above. We had a nice consolidation, 5 minutes closing above. Maybe too aggressive, but I will ask this trade to Aaron tomorrow. I'm interested to know his point of view on this. Up for now, lose it all like I usually do over trading, then call yourself out. Do you want to have like a profit on a Friday to end of the week? Close the laptop, go away. You're stronger than the market. You're not slave of this market. You can call it and go away. That's what I think. Many of you lose by over trading. When many times close the laptop, go away. Simple to say, I understand that, but is the time that you if you want to become the trader you want to be, and you're like, you know what, for the price action of today, I got out a beautiful trade, I'm gonna enjoy it and see you on Monday. I'm trying to load the TradeZella dashboard, that's why I'm looking left and right. Export CV 15-16 October, and I'm gonna load this data in TradeZella. Entry target low of the day will be about 1 to 2. 4318, 4318, 4318. That's low would be, yeah, that was a nice short, I believe you're referring. It was a beautiful short there. Yeah, but I was looking at, I have to change quant hour to have both them looking at, but yeah, I like that one you said there. Okay, I loaded everything dashboard. I know everything you guys say is right. Yeah, if you're profitable, consistent in your way. For me, I fought with people in Twitter, guys, that every time they say use prop firms differently than in the live account. Yes, I agree that in the prop firms you can have higher risk, because I will never risk $300 on a 2.5k account. I will never risk it on a live personal money. If I have $2,000, I will risk well, what I will risk, maybe $50 to make 100. That's a great amount of money, because it's $100 on a live account. It's my money. I can withdraw them on the next day when they settle down. On a personal, on a prop firms, yeah, I can do that higher risk like I'm doing it, but I will never advise you guys to go hard and just blow accounts and try to get some payouts and play the game. One, many people try to do that and they blow up many. They never understand how much their expense. I know people that are down hundreds of thousands of dollars because they don't realize. That's the bastard things with prop firms, is that You don't realize how much you're down. With a live account, you can put $10,000, you lose it, you know you're down $10,000. With the prop firms, pay these fees, pay this fee, pay that fee, pay that fee. Oh, it's cheaper, 80%, 40% Tradify, or over 90% Apex. Pay. And then you don't freaking know how much you spent. That's what many people fell on. And they're down a lot. Yeah, oh man, 840. Yeah, yes. Let me go to the gold. Yes, I agree 100%. This one here that grabbed this previous, where would have been the level to look into? I like to this on the 50 minutes is somewhere here. So, but even the moment this 5 minutes candle closed, even I will be being aggressive here to look for these lows, or these lows, the double bottom here was $160 with one tick for my point. Let's go to the 1MQ. Yeah. No, yeah, I agree with that, Nick. The good side of, the good side of prop firms is that the accessibility they provide to many people. How many people? Iron is from Philippines. He trades for Philippines. Many of his people are Filipinos, Indonesians, Brazilians, South American. With $30, $40, you get accessible to funds that you can trade. Could use some risk, follow some risk rules, and you get paid thousands of dollars. The accessibility is insane. And that's why as well, they're going to remove $25,000 limits on day trading in USA, because they saw that so much money has been taken by prop firms. And traders are moving to prop firms because of accessibility, and the market is not accessible for them. The margin requirement and everything. So people move to prop firms for the accessibility side. I bash it. I'm not a bash it against the prop firms. I say people lose the control because of activation fee and don't realize how much they're spending. But yeah. I use the flag. Yeah, yeah, it's true that you fake flag guy. Fake flag guy. Fake flag guy. No, yeah, so that's the accessibility side. So prop firms are amazing for that. And they're getting a lot of, a lot of power. Apex, Topstep, Tradify, My Funded Futures, FTMO, add all the Forex prop firms, add all the other futures prop firms that I don't know, add as well that soon they will put future stocks. Now soon you will be trading as well in prop firms, I believe. Stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple on a future side. How much money will be taken out from the real stock market and will be taken by firms? And that's why as well the regulation will come. Why regulation comes? Regulation comes from millions of people are getting scammed, and let's say the 2008, I forgot the guy that created a funds that was a scammy one. Million collapse, and everyone is like, shit, this thing collapsed. It should have been asked to regulate it. We're gonna regulate it from now on. Or things get regulated because we're not making good amount of money. We should regulate these things to take some part of their money. So that's usually the two cases, not other cases. No one is gonna come to save you because one person say that, but only important people. And if they don't make money, they will start to regulate stuff. The regulations come from this, or comes when everything collapses and they're like, "Ooh, people are not happy. We should have regulated these things. We saw it, but we let it go." Yeah. Yeah. That was a beautiful idea here. The long here on NQ. Oh my god. By the way, I'm gonna take at least kudos for my exit, because I could have had a hard stop loss here, but the moment we were closing lower, I called myself out, and instead of having, I had one contract, instead of having a 300 or even a 350, $320 loss, I had a 180. That's much better than the crazy freaking things happening there. Gold is going down and Q is going higher, and we're grabbing these highs as well. Piece of crap of gold, and I wish I had another entry here, and I had the entry of Nick, but yeah, no entry for me, unfortunately. This shit just skyrocketed. I mean, to be honest, could have entered here, yes. Risking the lows, but even that, when I was looking for this candle, oh my god, even that when I was looking for this candle to go, I was hoping for a wick lower before taking it, and I would have taken it. It didn't even happen. It is what it is. Very good on stop loss here as well. Moved it to stop loss in break in. I thought this candle was enough. We grabbed the previous hour. We're gonna skyrocket. It did happen after. So break even here was great. $10.16 already. 45 minutes already passed. Man, before I was getting so bored of trading the other strategy that time was not flying. But when you try to read the market and understand it and try to get the direction after something happens, yeah, the only things I have to ask is this as well. What happened today is a question that I need to ask tomorrow. We grab liquidity. Where will be? That will be a trade? It's riskier, but you will grab these points. It's not a one-to-one, but it's packet. It's $140 I would have made. Yeah, giving myself a $180 loss. It's not a one-to-one, but it's, let's say, easy points. I need to improve on that. Because yesterday, similar things happened. If I go back on yesterday, these things happen. We come back, we stopped in break even, and then pushed again. We grabbed these lows, and we pushed again here. It did not take this long, but it's a risky game. We need to improve on that. We're gonna learn and improve, but happy for the moment how I'm reading the market. I'm okay. I'm good with it. 450. I want to show you my week. How much I made this week? This week, guys, I'm down $81. Guys, I'm down $81. Only $81. What the heck? That's me. Hello. Let me give you a second. I need to fix it. So that's the, oh my god. I want to show you this, my weekly dashboard here. Okay, I don't want to mess up anymore. Move to the side. Okay, so this is my weekly. Okay, $81 loss. Yeah, welcome everyone. $81 loss. We started with a little, I think a little break even, whatever. We did a nice $600 loss. We lost 300. Almost kind of break even yesterday, a little green, $60. And then today we get back the remaining profit we had, $81 lost. So we lost from the peak, $580 from the peak. So that's what how much we kind of lost from the drawdown. Overall, let's go. Overall, our period is going up. So our September was not the best, but October it turned to be very green. So a pullback on this is not bad at all. aiming to control the losses mostly. I think is going to be my mostly focus. October, little reds, green, normal max loss day, green, 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 normal loss, little green, normal loss today. Market, to be honest, the last 2 days was very hard to read, not simple at all. So I just need to be better at being more to be more confident, and I will focus on that tomorrow. I forgot that you cannot see me there, but I'm gonna work tomorrow on being more confident on taking some setups like this one here. Maybe I can give it like a break, like I don't know, it's breaking the previous candle, we're taking the lows, be a little bit more confident of taking these longs, or even taking this long here and just manage it correctly, right? If we start closing lower, you call yourself out, you might take a loss, but it's a high probability one, right? We've taken these lows, we've taken this morning or previous hour, we were turning back 15 minutes, 1 hour, every freaking candle that is telling me to go long, taking it like I've taken it here. You will just manage it as here. The moment it breaks, stop loss in break even, take your profit here, and yeah, that's what I think I have to be better, right? Come back on the gold. Good point on Nick saying, okay, short term we're selling off. I was betting on the fact that most of the time, for example, here we've taken previous lows, we go higher, we grabbed some lows, we go higher, we grab some lows, we go higher here. So this was an important low, especially for the bounce. We didn't liquidate anything, right? That's mostly it. We didn't grab anything here above. So bounce, guess it's gonna happen. When it's gonna happen, I wish I knew. But we've taken a long here, we got stopped out, and this one was even better probably than this one. Like Nick said, we're coming down. This loss was kind of there. I looked at this level, we closed, did not happen. It came and rejected this little one and just continued lower. Great loss. My max loss was here. My hard stop loss, my temporary stop loss was at the closing of the candle. 50 minutes candle turn. That's one thing as well. I did not wait for this 50 minutes candle to close. I will show you my mistake here. The 50 minutes candle there closed above, and when I entered long here, I was betting that this candle here was the last 5 minutes. I was like, good chance to close, we're gonna close. But the last 5 minutes, boom, the candle turned red. So that's why as well, it was a confirmation. If this 50 minutes candle is closing red, it's a no-go for me anymore. So that's one thing as well. I've done that. So yeah, overall, I would say great day, great week. Difficult to trade, and always, as much as we want to make money, we cannot make money every day. We cannot make money every week, and we cannot be correct 100% of the time. And if we are not correct, like what happened today, where was the mistake? Where can I improve? But let's see what I've done good. Like I was speaking yesterday with Nick. Good stop loss, good management. I did not overtrade, $430. Could have taken a better trade more, a trade after more? Yes. Let's get this mindset tomorrow on Monday. But I'm closing my week in a good state of mind. Guys, I hope you had an amazing week. Execution-wise, emotional-wise, and I'm happy, Nick, today you came and you took a beautiful win, and I hope your confidence is a little bit higher than yesterday, and you're 1% better than yesterday, and you are in the right path, my friend. Keep working on yourself. 8 years is a long time. I'm in 5 years as well right now, but I believe if you're there and learning and growing and accepting where you do your mistakes, and tomorrow you do a little bit better, it's gonna turn in one day. And one thing I remember I read somewhere about success. Externally, people will see your success as it happened in one day, and it will feel like that. It will feel that success happened in one day. in one period you're gonna be there making money from trading, and you'll be like, the heck, it turned last week or 2 weeks ago, and now I'm making money, I'm confident. But in reality, that was 8 years behind. 8 years behind of work. But it feels like it was that's what people see around. But behind, it's you 8 years of working to get there. So guys, wish you the best. Love you all. Keep going. Keep working on yourself. Enjoy the weekend. Tomorrow, I usually never do recaps on weekend, but with Aaron during the mentorship, we have a recap tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Freaking hell! But I will be there. It's gonna be good, and some as well. I will recap some of these trades because I need it. And Monday we're back, little bit better, and let's get these payouts. We're close to it. We get back some money, but it is what it is. Love you guys.